Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to open TikTok mute. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the TikTok application on your phone. Then locate and click on the profile button at the bottom right. Click on the three lines at the top right. Then click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down settings and privacy, just keep scrolling until you get to playback and then click on it. Once you click on playback, they should say open TikTok on mute. Go ahead and turn on this. Video will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute video or use your device volume controls. Then let's go ahead and close the TikTok application. Then go ahead and open it again. And hang on. Then you should see the TikTok open mute. Now, if you want to unmute the TikTok after a while, they should see the unmute button. Just go ahead and click on it. And this is going to unmute the TikTok application for you. You can also use your volume control on your phone to unmute the TikTok application once you open it. So that's exactly how to open TikTok mute. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.